Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I thought that it would be fun to show you guys my curly hair routine. It's a very fast one because I don't do much. As you can see, my hair is wet, so I wash my hair so I can show you guys exactly what I do. If you guys want to see how I do my curly hair routine, just keep watching. Okay, so first I wash my hair, and for that I usually use the Shea Moisture Jamaican black castor oil. I've been using this for a while and I love it. And for conditioner I use the Shea Moisture restorative conditioner. These two products are what I use to shampoo and conditioner. Usually I do use them all the time. My hair is wet, but because I was like trying to film and like do my makeup, it did start getting dry a little bit, so I'm just gonna spray some water so it can be more moisturized. I don't think it was a good idea to do my makeup for this video, but I didn't want you guys to see my sleeping face. So now that my hair is wet, the next step that I like to do is kind of detangle it a little bit. I don't use a small comb because I want to keep my curl texture, so I just use a big comb and just like run it through my hair. I'm sorry if there's like a lot of noise in the background. I do live really close to the highway, so that's probably why. So now that I detangled my hair, I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do. I only use actually one product, and it's this one over here. This is the DevaCurl Super Stretch. It helps with, it says coconut curl elongator. I do love DevaCurl's product. This one has been my new favorite. So all you need is a very little bit of it, like just like that. And I usually like massage it in the palm of my hand and just put it in my hair like that. And then you go ahead and add more as you're doing it. You want to make sure that your roots and the end of your hair get enough product so it can be like saturated. This product, I know for sure that it says do not scrunch your hair, like do not go like this, because it's made to actually elongate your curls, so it gives you as much length as possible. So this is one side done. You can see the difference from one side to the other side. So I'm gonna go ahead and do the other side now. Just massage the product in my hand and then just apply. Okay, so now that we have the product all over my hair, what I'm gonna do next is blow dry my hair. I highly recommend that you air dry instead of blow dry your hair, but since for the sake of the video I'm just gonna blow dry my hair, and for that I'm gonna use a blow dryer and a diffuser. I highly recommend you do a diffuser, so instead of like really blow drying the hair, you kind of like just giving it a little bit of help to air dry on its own. Okay guys, so this is my hair dry. Obviously there's a lot of shrinkage, but that's not what we're going for. My next step is shine spray. We're gonna put a little bit over the hair just to give us some shine. And my next and final step is this bad boy over here. This is gonna be your best friend when you have a curly fro. All I'm gonna do is just like puff my hair a little bit and bring my curls back to life. You can also use your finger if you don't want to destroy your pattern. You just keep using the comb until you get your desired look. This is usually what I go for, like more of a curly fro. Okay guys, so this is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment down below what you would like to see next. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on my next video.